Sony XBR-A8G 85-inch Bravia OLED TV. Looking for a new OLED TV? If so, then Sony XBR-A8G 85-inch Bravia could be just what you need. Thanks to OLED, which uses over 8 million self-illuminating pixels to create images, this model boasts the impressive 4K HDR video and amazingly smooth motion processing. Thanks to the inclusion of Sony's X1 Extreme processor, you also benefit from lightning-fast rendering, and even non-4K video will still look great on the screen. Sony pulled out all the stops with this TV, including Sony's Triluminos technology, Dolby Vision HDR support, and IMAX Enhanced programming for superior color saturation, detailing, and contrast, which makes images really come to life. Sony's innovative feature, which actually turns the TV screen itself into a sound-emitting device, giving a more dynamic audio experience. Occasionally, OLED scenes can suffer from burn-in damage, especially if you are watching repetitive scenes like news feeds. However, if you're set on an OLED, this is one of the best TVs you'll find, Sony or otherwise. For more details and buying guide, please visit the link given on the description below.